We'll bring this unit to a close with surface area and volume of spheres and hemispheres, a hemisphere being just half of a sphere. So we're going to open our very last flap here and put in our equations. So for a sphere, volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, where r, of course, is the radius, the distance from the center of the cube to the outside edge. And surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Volume of a hemisphere is going to be 4/3 pi r cubed divided by 2, because of course it's just half of the sphere. And the surface area of a hemisphere is going to be 3 pi r squared. It's not just half because it also includes this flat area that is on top of the hemisphere or on the bottom. So to find the volume of this sphere, I would need to first know the radius. The radius is 8. So it's going to be 4/3 times pi times 8 cubed. You just dial that into the calculator or use 3.14 if this is Alex. And the volume is going to equal 2,144.7 cubic centimeters. The surface area is going to be 4 pi times 8 squared, which equals 804.2 square centimeters. Now here I have a diameter of 9 feet, so my radius is half of 9, which is 4.5. So my volume is going to equal 4/3 times pi times 4.5 cubed, and that equals 381.7 cubic feet. Surface area is 4 times pi times 4.5 squared, which is 254.5 square feet. And those are surface area and volume of each of those spheres. Now moving down, here the radius is 2.7 because again it's from the center to the edge to any edge, doesn't matter which direction it's drawn as long as that's the line from the center to the edge of the circle or of the sphere. So my volume is going to be 4/3 pi times 2.7 cubed, which equals 82.4 cubic meters. And my surface area will just be 4 times pi times 2.7 squared, which equals 91.6 square meters. Now, this hemisphere has a radius of 13, so it's going to be 4/3 times pi times 13 cubed, and then divided by 2, because it's just half of the sphere. So that volume is going to be 4,601.4 cubic feet. And the surface area will be 3 times pi r squared, where r is 13. Which is going to equal 1,592.8 square feet. And I think that's enough examples to give you the basic idea. That's volume and surface area for spheres and hemispheres.